Example number 13. Fourth root of 81.5. Fx is equal to x raised to 1 by 4. F dash x is equal to 1 by 4 into x raised to 1 by 4 minus 1 minus 3 by 4 1 upon 4 into x raised to 3 by 4. 81.5 is equal to 81 plus 0.5. 81.5 ની નજીક અને એનું ઈઝીલી ફોર્થ રૂટ મળી શકે તેવી સંખ્યા 81 પ્લસ 0.5 is equal to x plus delta x. x is equal to 81 सूक्ष्म फेरफार तफावत डेल्टा x पॉजिटिव 0.5. f of x plus delta x is equal to f of x plus delta x into f dash x. f of 81 plus 0.5 is equal to f of 81 plus 0.5 into f dash 81. f of 81.5 is equal to f of 81 plus 0.5 into f dash 81. विधेय अपना x is equal to 81.5 મૂકી દઈએ આમાં. therefore 81.5 raised to 1 by 4 is equal to f of 81. x માં 81 is equal to 81 raised to 1 by 4 plus 0.5 into f dash 81. f dash x में x is equal to 81 મૂકી દઈએ તો 1 upon 4 into 81 raised to 3 by 4. Fourth root of 81 3 plus 0.5 upon 4 into 3 cube is equal to 3 plus 0.5 upon 4 into 27 is equal to 3 plus 0.5 upon 108 is equal to 3.0046. calculated 3 plus 0.5 upon 108 तो 3.0046 એટલે 81.5 raised to 1 by 4 એટલે fourth root of 81.5 3.0046. Example number 14. 3.968 raised to 3 by 2. fx is equal to x raised to 3 by 2. f dash x is equal to 3 by 2 into x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 into x raised to 1 by 2. 3.968 is equal to 3.968 raised to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 એટલે પહેલા તેનો સ્ક્વેર રૂટ નીકળવું જોઈએ. સ્ક્વેર રૂટ નીકળ્યા પછી ઘન કરવાનો છે. 3 by 2 એટલે પહેલા તો વર્ગમૂળ થાય અને પછી એનો ઘન થાય. તો 3.968 ની વધુ નજીક અને એનું વર્ગમૂળ નીકળી શકે તો એવી સંખ્યા 4 આવશે. હવે 3.968 4 minus 3.968 કરવાના એટલે જે સંખ્યા મળે બાદ કરી દેવાની minus 0.032. આ ડેલ્ટા x શોધવા માટે તમારે 4 minus 3.968 કરવાના. 4 minus 3.968 કરશો એટલે તમને 0.032 મળશે. એટલે 4 minus 0.032 કરશો એટલે 3.968 આવશે. આ આપણને x મળ્યા અને સૂક્ષ્મ તફાવત ડેલ્ટા x x is equal to 4, delta x is equal to minus 0.032. f of x plus delta x is equal to f of x plus delta x into f dash x. f of 4 delta x minus 0.032 x is equal to 4 f of 4 0.032 into f dash 4. f of 3.968 is equal to f of 4 minus 0.032 into f dash 4. विधेय fx में x is equal to 3.968 મૂકી દઈએ તો 3.968 raised to 3/2 is equal to विधेय fx में x is equal to 4 મૂકી દઈએ 4 raised to 3/2 minus 0.032 into f dash 4 f dash x में x is equal to 4 મૂકી દો तो 3/2 into 4 raised to 1/2 4 raised to 3/2 એટલે પહેલા તો 4 raised to 1/2 એટલે 2 ક્યુબ minus 0.032 into 3 into 4 raised to 1/2 એટલે 2 upon 2 is equal to 8 minus 0.096 is equal to 7.904. तो 3.968 raised to 3/2 is equal to 7.904. Example number 15. Fifth root of 32.15. અહીં fx is equal to x raised to 1/5. f dash x is equal to 1/5 into x raised to 1/5 minus 1 is equal to 1/5 into x raised to minus 4/5 is equal to 1/5 into x raised to 4/5. 32.15 is equal to 32.15 ની નજીક એવી સંખ્યા શોધો એની ઇઝીલી ફિફ્થ રૂટ મળી શકે તો 32 પ્લસ અને સૂક્ષ્મ તફાવત એનો 0.15 is equal to x plus delta x. X is equal to 32 delta x is equal to 0.15. f of x plus delta x is equal to f of x plus delta x into f dash x. f of 32 plus 0.15 is equal to x is equal to 32 and delta is equal to 0.15 આમાં મૂકી દો 32 plus 0.15 into f dash 32. f of 32.15 is equal to f of 32 plus 0.15 into f dash 32. વિધેય fx માં x is equal to 32.15 મૂકી દો આમાં તો 32.15 raised to 1/5 is equal to f of 32 વિધેય fx में x is equal to 32 तो 32 raised to 1/5 plus 0.15 into f dash 32 f dash x में x is equal to 32 तो 1/5 into 32 raised to 4/5 fifth root of 32 એટલે 2 raised to 5 એટલે 2 raised to 5 raised to 1/5 એટલે 2 plus 0.15 upon 5 into 2 raised to 4 is equal to 2 plus 0.15 upon 5 into 16 2 plus 0.15 upon 80 is equal to calculate the साद रूप तो 2.0 2.0018 2.0018 एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 जो fx इज इक्वल टू 4x² प्लस 5x प्लस 2 હોય તો f ઓફ 2.01 નું આસન્ન મૂલ્ય શોધો. અહીં આપણે વિધેય આપી દીધું છે fx ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 4x² પ્લસ 5x પ્લસ 2 f dash x is equal to 8x plus 5 2.01 is equal to 2 plus 0.01 is equal to x plus delta x. X is equal to 2 delta x is equal to 0.01. F of x plus delta x is equal to f of x plus delta x into f dash x. F of 2 plus 0.01 is equal to f of 2 plus 0.01 into f dash 2. આ સૂત્રની અંદર x is equal to 2 અને delta x is equal to 0.01 સબસ્ટિટ્યુટ કરી દીધા. આ બન્યું f of 2.01 is equal to f of 2 વિધેયમાં x is equal to 2 મૂકી દો તો 4 into 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus 2 plus 0.01 into f dash x માં x is equal to 2 મૂકી દો 8 into 2 plus 5 is equal to 16 plus 10 plus 2 plus 0.01 into 16 plus 5 21 is equal to 28 plus 0.21 is equal to 28.21. Example number 3 fx is equal to x cube minus 7x square plus 15 હોય તો f of 5.001 નું આસન્ન મૂલ્ય શોધો. f dash x is equal to 3x square minus 14x 5.001 is equal to 5 plus 0.001 x plus delta x. X is equal to 5. Delta x is equal to 0.001. F of x plus delta x is equal to f of x plus delta x into f dash x. F of 5 plus 0.001 is equal to f of 5 plus 0.001 into f dash 5. F of 5.001 is equal to f of 5. F of x max is equal to 5 મૂકી દો તો 5 cube minus 7 into 5 square plus 15 plus 0.01 into f dash x ma x is equal to 5 3 into 5 square minus 14 into 5 is equal to 125 minus 25 into 7 175 plus 50 plus 0.01 75 25 into 3 75 minus 14 into 5 70 આ થશે minus 35 plus 0.001 delta x is equal to 0.01 into 5 is equal to minus 35 plus 0.005 is equal to minus 34.995. 34.995 minus 34.995.